name is Patel. I'm a dentist and right now pursuing my post-graduation course in endodontics. This lockdown made me to do a lot of things which used to be in my bucket list, and this video is one of them. So coming to my hair, I never used to love it. For every occasion I used to straighten it. But this lockdown made me realize that it's the best thing which I have, and it's up to me whether to make it worse or better. So today video is all about the coloring. So I did this highlights at home. So in this video I will be telling you how you can do the color highlights at home, and you can save a lot of money. And any suggestions, any help, you are free to write it in the comment section and let me know whether you like my video or not. Thank you everyone.
So guys, for this highlighting we need very few items which is very easily available. Like first is aluminium foil, some small clutches and clip to tie your hair, one styling comb, one hair dryer, and obviously the main thing is the color. And here I'm using the two color, that is soft red and a soft blonde. In the soft red it's a two-step process, and the soft blonde is a one-step process, which we'll come to know in the following video.
Let's start with the coloring. So I just get the hair wash done in the evening just with the shampoo. No conditioner, no serum, and I didn't apply anything. So first with the procedure, you have to get all these clips, whatever you have in your home, you can use all those. I'm using this comb to get the partition of my hair done. And I have cut this foil like this into 8 pieces because I just want to get 8 strands done. And we'll start with the coloring. So this is the product which I already introduced to you. So this is step 1, step 2. First we'll use in the 1:2 ratio, and the blonder will be 1 and the developer will be double. So let me mix it and then we'll see what to do next. So before mixing the color, you better tie your hair whatever is not required. So this is the color portion, I don't need it. So I'm putting it back. Before putting the color, please wear this gloves. Now I will be taking this first strand. Since we have put all 8, we'll wait for 30 minutes and then we'll recheck. In the middle, you can even open it and recheck whether the color are coming or not. So let's see what happened after 30 minutes. let me open it and see whether it got blonded or not. So yeah, you can see wherever I put the more of the color, it blonded very well. So guys, I wash my hair. Actually, people say you're supposed to wash your whole hair, but since mine is curly hair and it will not take less than 3 hours to dry, so I washed this color strands. And I'm not a big fan of dryer because of my hair, but because the time is less, so I will be drying it with the dryer. Properly dry. Now I'm gonna use this too, because for my hair one was not enough, so we'll be mixing it. Each strands are done. We'll see after 30 minutes how it goes. So guys, it's been 30 minutes. Let me open and check it how the color has come. So I think yeah, the color have come properly. So the rest I will open in the bathroom because it's gonna spoil my tea. And we'll see how the color goes with my hair. And we'll see properly how it is, but I think I'm now loving my hair a lot. And actually, while I was ordering from the FLIPKART, I got it in a combo pack. So I ordered 2 soft red and this 2 soft blonde. So let me see if I can use it for my back here, so it kind of be a mixture of red and blonde. So see you soon. Be dealing with the second color, which I told you, that's a soft blonde. And let's see what we got here. It's like the same thing what we did, but we have did 2 steps, but here you have to just do the 1 step. So we have got just 1 blonde powder, this gloves, this is a developer, 1 manual, conditioner and a brush. So let's start with this color. Done with my 8 strands. Now we have to wait for 30 minutes more and we'll see how the color have come. hair is properly dry. And this is the color which I got finally. This is the red color, the soft red color. On the back one, this is a soft blonde. You can appreciate it properly. It came very beautifully. I didn't expect the red color to be so good. And I have done shampoo with this product, the Curl Up. And actually I started this using like 1 month back, and I'm totally loving this product. So if you want any review, any information about this shampoo, please let me know in the comment section. I will try to help you. And this curl, can you see? Since I woke up, it's not very good, but I did the styling with this Arata gel, and for this review also I can help you. Just let me know in the comment section. Thank you everyone.